When you're in your 20s, the idea of aging can feel like a distant concern, something you'll deal with much later. It's easy to believe that youth is simply a phase that will last forever, and that you don't need to think about your future health just yet. But the truth is, the choices you make right now are quietly shaping the years ahead. Every meal you eat, every walk you take, and every late night you skip or embrace is building the foundation for your future self. The real secret to staying youthful isn't found in a miracle cure or a magical place. It's hidden in the small, consistent habits you practice every day. Youthfulness is less about age and more about how you live. In the world's blue zones, those rare places where people regularly live into their 90s and beyond, longevity isn't the result of expensive treatments or secret potions. Instead, it's because healthy choices are woven into the fabric of daily life, starting from a young age and continuing for decades. Think of longevity as a marathon, not a sprint. Your 20s are your training ground, the time to build habits that will carry you through life's many stages. Whether you're running, hiking, or simply moving your body, you're investing in your future. Imagine your body as a house. The choices you make now are like laying down a strong foundation and sturdy walls. If you build it well, it will stand strong for years to come, weathering whatever storms life brings. Living youthfully isn't about strict rules or constant restriction. It's about embracing life with energy, joy, and resilience, finding balance between celebration and self-care, and making room for both fun and healthy routines. Every small conscious choice you make today, whether it's journaling, preparing a healthy meal, or sharing a laugh with friends, is an investment in both your present happiness and your future well-being. The journey to a long, happy life doesn't begin with a single leap, but with the next decision you make. Each step, no matter how small, moves you closer to a vibrant, fulfilling future. Remember, the fountain of youth isn't a place you find. It's a lifestyle you create, one choice at a time. Start building it now, and let your future self thank you. Imagine your health as a bank account. Every healthy choice you make is like a small deposit, quietly growing over time. Whether it's choosing a salad over fries, taking a walk instead of the elevator, or simply getting enough sleep, these little actions matter more than you think. On the flip side, every unhealthy decision, like skipping breakfast, staying up too late, or reaching for that extra soda, is a withdrawal from your health account. Over weeks, months, and years, these small choices add up, shaping your energy, mood, and vitality for decades to come. The effects might not be obvious right away, but they're always accumulating in the background. In blue zones, places where people live the longest and healthiest lives, residents don't rely on dramatic diets or extreme workouts. Instead, their health is built on simple, daily habits that are woven into their routines, like walking, gardening, and sharing meals with loved ones. Your 20s give you a powerful advantage: time. The earlier you start making positive choices, the more they compound, just like interest in a savings account. Every healthy meal, every workout, every good night's sleep is an investment in your future self. But remember, negative habits add up too. Smoking, drinking excessively, or neglecting your body might not seem like a big deal now, but over time, these withdrawals can drain your health reserves. Your body may bounce back quickly in your youth, but eventually, the bill comes due. The effects of poor choices can show up as fatigue, stress, or even chronic illness later in life. The best part? You don't need a lot of money, fancy equipment, or a personal trainer to start. Simple actions, like taking the stairs, drinking more water, or walking with friends, are free and incredibly powerful. Turning off screens before bed, reading a book, or making sure you get enough rest, these are all small, daily deposits that build a strong foundation for lifelong health. Your daily decisions are the most important investments you'll ever make. Each one shapes your future, creating a ripple effect that can last a lifetime. So start today. Compound health, not regret. Every small step counts, and it's never too early to begin. Remember, you're the CEO of your own wellness. The choices you make now will shape the life you live tomorrow. How do you start? Focus on 4 pillars: nutrition, movement, sleep, and stress management. These are the foundations of every long-lived culture. Nutrition is your fuel. What you eat programs your future health. Movement keeps your body young. It's about consistency, not intensity. Sleep and stress management are your body's repair and resilience systems. You can't out-exercise a bad diet or sleep away chronic stress. Balance is key. These pillars work together. We'll show you how to make simple, powerful choices in each area. Build your future on these 4 essentials. The first pillar is nutrition. Eat more plants. In blue zones, diets are built around beans, greens, nuts, and whole grains. Make plants the main event. Treat meat as a rare treat. Simple swaps, like a black bean burger instead of beef, add up. Beans are affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients. Hydration matters too. Make water your go-to drink. Carry a water bottle, infuse it with fruit if you like, and skip sugary drinks. Focus on whole foods. Choose an orange over orange juice, oats over sugary cereal. Processed foods accelerate aging. Whole foods fight it. Your grocery cart is your most powerful tool for longevity. Small changes now mean big benefits later. The second pillar is movement. Make it natural and consistent. The world's healthiest people don't live in gyms. They move throughout their day. Walk, bike, take the stairs, garden, or dance. Find what you enjoy. Even short bursts of activity add up. Sitting too much is the new smoking. Stand up and move every half hour. Join a group, play a sport, or just move to music at home. The best exercise is the one you'll actually do. Make movement a source of joy, not a chore. Break up long periods of sitting to keep your body young. Daily movement is your anti-aging medicine. Sleep is the third pillar, your body's nightly reset button. In your 20s, it's tempting to sacrifice sleep, but it's essential for health and longevity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Keep a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and screen-free. Wind down with a relaxing ritual. Read, stretch, or meditate. Avoid screens before bed. Blue light disrupts your sleep cycle. Deep, restorative sleep repairs your body and mind. Prioritize sleep now for energy and youthfulness that lasts. The final pillar is stress management. Chronic stress accelerates aging, impacts your immune system, and can even cloud your thinking. In today's fast-paced world, stress is almost impossible to avoid, but how we respond to it makes all the difference. Learning to manage stress isn't just about feeling better in the moment, it's about protecting your long-term health and happiness. In blue zones, people shed stress daily with simple rituals, like prayer, meditation, or even a quiet cup of tea. These small acts help reset the mind and body, keeping stress from building up over time. Build strong social connections. Your friends are powerful medicine. Sharing your worries, laughing together, or just spending time with loved ones can lower stress hormones and boost your mood. Make time for face-to-face connection and regular get-togethers. Even a short chat or a shared meal can help you feel supported and less alone in your struggles. Find your own daily downshift, a walk in nature, meditation, journaling, or quiet reflection. These moments of pause are not luxuries, they're essential for recharging your mind and body. Make this pause non-negotiable, even on your busiest days. Connect with your purpose, your why for getting up in the morning. When you have a sense of meaning, it's easier to navigate life's challenges and stay resilient. Purpose makes daily hassles smaller and healthy choices easier. It gives you direction and helps you bounce back from setbacks. You don't need a grand mission. Meaning can be found in work, hobbies, or relationships. Even small acts of kindness or creativity can fill your days with purpose. Stress management isn't optional. It's essential for a long, happy life. Prioritizing your mental well-being is just as important as eating well or exercising. Start building these habits now, one small step at a time. Over time, these daily choices add up to a healthier, more joyful life. Your future self will thank you for every effort you make today. The benefits of stress management grow with time, shaping a brighter tomorrow. The fountain of youth is in your hands. Begin today and watch your life transform, one mindful moment at a time.